In this example, we have given a function which is cube of 2x to the power 5 plus 6, and our goal is to find the derivative of this function. You can see here this function is look like some function, let's say 2x to the power 5 plus 6, a kind of function raised to the power 3. So if you have a function raised to the power something, then we know that we can use the generalized power rule. What is generalized power rule? If you need to find the derivative of, let's say, some function f raised to the power n, then the derivative of that type of function can be figured out by bringing the power down, right? Write down this f as it is and then subtract the power by 1 like a power rule. But also don't forget to multiply by the derivative of this f. So let's say f prime. Remember that f on this formula is actually the base function, okay? So if that is the case, in our example, f is 2x to the power 5 plus 6. So if that is the case, let's apply the generalized power rule. So how can we apply this? So you can see here on the formula we have here n, so that is like our 3, so we can write that down first. Then in the formula we have f, right? So in our problem the f in the formula, whatever is given is the base function. So in that case our f is 2x to the power 5 plus 6. So let's write that down. And we have in over here we have n minus 1, right? So if that is the case, we need to subtract the power by 1. So our power is 3, so subtract the power by 1, so 3 minus 1 will be 2. And it's not only that, but we also need to now multiply by the derivative of this base function, which is this one. So if that is the case, let's multiply by the derivative of 2x to the power 5 plus 6, and this is the derivative of the function by using the generalized power rule. But we are not done it, because you can clearly see here we still need to figure out what is that, and possibly we also need to simplify. So let's try to see. So let's copy whatever we have over here, because we are not going to do anything with that. So 3 times 2x to the power 5 plus 6 is square, right? And now let's focus here and then find the derivative of this. How to find the derivative of this one? We can first find the derivative of 2x to the power 5. We can find the derivative of 6 and then add the derivative, right? So if that is the case, what is the derivative of 2x to the power 5? 2 is as it is, multiply by derivative of x to the power 5, which is 5 times x to the power 4, right? So that is the derivative of x to the power 4 by using the x to the power 5 by using the power rule. Plus, what is the derivative of 6? Derivative of 6 is a constant, so derivative is 0. So we have 3 times 2x to the power 5 plus 6 square, right? And then if we simplify here, 2 times 5 is 10, so 10 times x to the power 4 plus 0, so just that. And then still we can further simplify. 3 times 10 is 30, so 30 x to the power 4 times 2x to the power 5 plus 6, and take a square of this. And this is the derivative of the given function f. Okay, so this is your f prime.